How are you doing, Jeff?
How you doing?
Good.
Can't stop you right now.
Why is that?
Because I'm turning myself in before 2 o'clock. I gotta go to Walmart to gas station and take the truck back home when I have to be going back to town.
Okay, roll the window down for me. Well, roll the window down.
There we go.
Jeff, if I have to smash the window, you're going to catch another charge. Okay? Hop out the truck, and we can talk about it, Jeff.
No, we're not.
Jeff, hop out of the vehicle. Who are you trying to call? Okay, and I'll make a phone call.
You can do it right now before I take off.
Okay, well, hop out the truck then. Who are you trying to call?
I'm calling right now. I'm calling Kurt Devondre. If you already talked to Captain, I'm going to turn myself in before 2 o'clock.
Jeff, if you leave, you're going to be committing a fleeing elude. Okay? Well, I still need you to get out of the vehicle, okay? Yeah, you're going to catch another charge, buddy. You're going to end up going to prison if you end up doing something
I'm going to
stupid.
prison anyway. That's why I'm turning myself in. You've been good to me, man.
I know, and I'm trying to be polite, and I'm trying to help you. But put the car in park.
You know, for...
Southbound 39-3, 15 miles an hour, no traffic, 1311. I'm calling stop 1312.
Yeah, open it. Open it. I'll smash it. Open it. Open it now.
I am. Don't grab me. I'm already
Hop on out. Step out.
Get my boy.
Turn around and face the car. Turn around and face the car now. Turn around and face the car.